How to scan a document on WhatsApp. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you open the WhatsApp, you want to make sure that you're signed into your WhatsApp account. Now once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap onto it and then simply go ahead and tap on the conversation. Now once you are here, you want to go ahead and tap on this plus icon right over here. Tap onto it. Now simply go ahead and tap on documents. Now you'll find three options. Choose from files, choose photo or video, and scan document. So you want to go ahead and tap on scan document. And now when you place the scanner on document, it will automatically scan the document. As you can see, it is set to auto right here, but if you don't want it, tap onto it and it will change into manual. So in this way, you will then be able to scan a document on WhatsApp. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.